How much is this?
1 second, mate, hang on. 15 quid, mate. There should be a controller there for it.
Tenner.
Thank you, darling. Right, so
Ja, tog lite.
Dan? So do I. You missed that.
Father.
Yeah, you got that?
225.
15. Yes. Drew, there is stuff to come out.
How much? 15. Thank you.
You don't want to know the price on these. They retail £431 and I want at least £80 for it. Yeah.
How much your Converse?
What's that, sorry?
Converse.
Converse, 40 quid on them ones.
Yeah. Alright. Cheers, thank you.
No worries, brother. Thank you.
How much? Remote in there? Sorry.
Which is the light?
How much is that?
£1.
How much?
£5.
Do you know if it works?
Thank you. Oh, it does work, yeah. I've just got too many.
You take 3?
I really want 5 for it.
Cool. Got any more of these?
No, it's the only one I've got, I'm afraid. No, 3.
How about 4? Let's do 4. Cheers.
Dusty, where you put them?
Yeah, no, I've scanned it, so it's worth 100. So I want 80. 70 quid off. Get your cash, 70 quid.
How much is your Panasonic? Panasonic.
What, that?
Yeah, how much is that?
£30.
Did you see those mirror frames?
Oh, the big frames.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were pretty well shot. The glass
It ain't
was
got a
giving up
remote,
all
so
over.
£20. You have to order a remote. I didn't know because we're selling up. He wants to get rid of it all. But it's a good one, it's new.
What are you taking your lower?
£20.
£20 then? That's it, yeah?
That's brand new. But you have to get a remote.
That's
Because I
the
don't know
thing.
where it is.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I think they're cheap enough, aren't they, remote?
If you do 15, I'll take it.
Go on then, take it.
I'll
Let me
risk
help you.
it. Cheers. It works, right?
Oh God, yeah, it's brand new. Yeah, it's because we're selling up. We're just getting rid of a load of stuff out the house.
No worries, thank you.
Yeah.
At the MIG, I'll go 50 quid on it, mate. Learn the
That one £5, mate.
For the Kodak.
That 25 quid, mate.
£3, brother.
How much for that? 20 quid, mate. It's not what's on the box, it's a different TV to the box, so 20 quid.
Any lower?
20 quid?
I'll do 15 if you want.
Oh, I've got it, mate. How you make your money, innit? You have
Hopefully.
your risk and
If
you
it works.
come up.
If
Yeah.
it doesn't, I lose money.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
Pounds. I would say a pound.
150.
You got changed? You have change?
Perfumes, so there you go.
How much?
30 quid.
30.
Buy all three of them, I'll do 25.
Oh. I'll do a 5 on this one if you want. Huh?
Give me 8 quid and you can take it.
6.
Come on, 8, that's fair enough. Pick something else around and get it up to a tenner.
No remote?
I mean, nah, that is what it is, mate.
Yeah.
Whatever's there's a...
Remote's like a 10 probably. I'll do 6 if you want. That's it.
Oh, thank you, mate.
Yeah? Cheers.
Oh, mate, everything's untested. We just do clearances.
So
So
yeah.
obviously, we unplug the stuff out of the houses, so it's not like...
Boy, was plugged in?
Yeah.
White, yellow.
Sorry. Alright. How much your label printer?
Which one?
Label printer. Or receipt thing.
£5?
Can I look? Yeah. You know if you have the cables?
What's the DC?
The power? Yeah, it's a DC. What about the cable this? How much is this?
50p.
Okay.
I can put it away, I'll find it, or I can give you the I will have a look.
With this I'll take for 2 quid.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah?
I will have a look at it though.
No worries. How much?
It's £100.
Oh, he's got a knife.
Oh, lovely, thanks.
That's 1980s, that is, mate.
Sorry?
1980s.
How much you like?
Tenner.
10.
I've actually looked it up online. The little ones go for about £40. That's a little one. Phones, mobile phones, no. It's a £50 rug.
What about that one? The Sony. 10. 5.
How much is the
Can I take a look? You have the remote? No. I'll do 10 with this and those two.
How much?
10.
15.
10.
Go on. I'll get it for you.
Yeah. Are you okay to hold it for now? Like in the back. I'll come back in like. Cheers, man.
Just sheets, blankets, pillows. Yes.
How much?
Give me 3 quid, mate.
Take 2? 2?
Go on. You're not crying all over the floor, please, love. I haven't got these out yet.
Sorry.
Oh, at last! Way! Wasting all your money on the right car.
Sorry.
I know. Yeah, you got me on
So I
Christmas.
can stop talking to you now. Because that was
I need to.
that was the basis of our friendship.
It was, wasn't it?
It was.
Joe, boom. Look,
How much are the comics?
this one, look, and in the red cap.
How much is this?
10 of them.
Hold up.
What's that come up that clock? I was looking at that.
Can't run.
Load of dough, innit? Is it meant to have a pendulum?
Sorry?
Is it meant to have a pendulum? That's all I was thinking. Yeah, it's meant to have
Yes,
a pendulum. Ask him. You ain't got a pendulum for that clock, do you?
What's the pendulum?
We should have like a little thing that hangs at the bottom of it.
No.
There should be like a thing here.
No, I haven't got it, sorry.
About that, it's...
Yeah, I know. How much has he got in it?
10. Listen, I said everything, mate.
Well done, Chief. Well done. You took a bit of money out of me today.
Fucking magician, son. You're a fucking magician.
Oh, I don't like spending. He'll tell you that. See you later.
Do you any lower? Just because of that?
7 quid, you can have it, mate.
6? Sorry? 5? No.
Polish the profit, didn't it? Right.
How much your coin sorter?
3 pound.
3 pound. And the bag?
Which way?
This bag. Yeah, just the bag.
Just the back.
Bag is not for sale.
क्यों?
Not for sale?
ये मैंने 3
I'll
का
give
कहा
you
है।
free. I'll buy.
Coin sorter?
मैंने 3 का क्या दिया? छोड़ इसने ले ली। She's asking me that.
Yeah, that's why I buy it.
Every time you get street.
Okay. Jeez. Take 7.
20 pounds.
20 pounds. You said 10. You said 10. I offered 7.
You said
Yeah, 10. And now.
7 pounds. No.
10 pounds.
How much is this one?
So how much is 10? Oh, 10 pounds. No.
What? I don't get it. I don't understand the point.
Yeah, it's faded. But I mean, you said 10 when you said 20, so like, what the hell? So you want 10? So why are we playing? You said 20, 10. I'll give you 10, but like, stop playing around.